Put your hands together for the words, rhythm, and rhymes and deep thoughts of my boy, Mr. Marcus Clark. Woo! Anyhow, how y'all doing, folks? It's no surprise that this is no surprise that anytime I'm dealing with Cranston in a setting like this, I might as well just expect to be called up here by my whole government. You know what I'm saying? I mean, he's right. I do go by so many names because, you know, we have to evolve. We have to change, and I can't keep the same old consciousness. That consciousness can't get me in this field over here when I'm operating in a higher consciousness. You understand? Okay, our ancestors, they did that. I only learned it from them. But I want to do something for y'all. I'm really going to be short. I'm not going to be long. I'm not going to be in y'all way. I really want to make room for the rest of the people that was on the marquee tonight. But because I've been practicing this poem and it's the first time I'm going to give it to y'all, this is a poem called Dear God. Dear God. It's a conversation I have with myself with God. Like I said, I'm going to do one poem and I'm out the way. No. Here we go. I don't know if I need this mic, but let me go. Dear God, I wonder if you're listening. You know, I wonder if you can truly hear me. Please tell me that you can feel my pain. It pains me to say this, but I play this recording over and over in my head. Does God know me? Does God really know my name? It's a shame how I call on Christ in my crisis, not realizing that there's no one to blame, no one to point the finger at when my life is spinning in these many cycles. I like to think that God is somewhere watching. Because at least I get to point my finger to the sky and ask God why. Why am I chosen to put these notions together as you look downstairs upon me, drowning in these oceans of tears? It's not fair, right? Thumbing my nose in the air, grabbing my flare gun, hoping someone sees my light. Please, God, what must I do to please God? Why must I fall on my knees, God, just to be seen, God? Has anybody seen God? Whenever I scream, God, you seem to leave, God. I don't believe God to be the greatest magician, performing these disappearing acts. That's an obscene God. But I've seen God reappearing in my bathroom mirror, clearing the fog off the glass, made me see God just a little bit clearer. It's me, God, fully figured, standing in my power of truth, confirming all the knowledge I knew. The God you see is the God in you. Dear God. There you are. That's it, y'all. That's it, y'all. Thank you.